TGN World of Warcraft, Xokas, World of Warcraft RU, HandsOfFaithExodar, World of Warcraft Brasil, mmoboom, Hogman, MercaderGaming, Hogman 671, World of Warcraft Naur, PrinceJaume, DinaPlays, Wowmusicable Warcraft music, PixelCat, TradeChat, MarcelianOnline, Oxhorn Movies, Studen Albatroz, Taliesin and Evitel Games, World of Warcraft, Archvaldor's Warcraft hacks, sodapoppin, Xaryu, HeelvsBabyface, Anboniwow, Pyromancer, Mr. GM, Xaryu, Signs of Kelani, Hayven Games, Bajheera, Pyromancer, Warcraft Cathiel, S-Band TV, Rickstroy, Swifty, PrinceJaume, Captain Grimm, BellularGaming, Novelty 7, PlatinumWow, Savix, Asmongold, Mad Season Show.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye!